Kids News Adventure, because kids deserve real news too. Hey, Earth Explorers, I'm Max, and today we've got some high-tech heroes saving the Earth. And it's not just humans doing the work. AI is joining the team. So, here's the scoop. The Bezos Earth Fund has launched a big project called, wait for it, AI for Climate and Nature Grand Challenge. Whoa! Let's call it the Mega Earth-Saving Robot Squad. They gave $50,000 each to 24 amazing projects. That's like a mountain of gummy bears.
Hey Max, I'm out here in the eco zone, and let me tell you, nature is buzzing with excitement. These AI projects are seriously awesome. One group is using AI to grow special plant-powered food without even needing farms or cows. Future burgers? Yes, please. And check this out. AI microphones are being used in the forests of Latin America to listen to bird songs and track which birds are visiting. Tweet, tweet, I'm being recorded by a robot.
In Africa, AI is teaming up with satellites to make super-fast weather forecasts, 3,500 times quicker to help farms and families.
And look up. Drones with AI are helping stop illegal tree cutting before it even starts. It's like the forest has its own superhero squad. Whoa, and there's even a reef team using AI to zoom through coral photos 700 times faster than humans. That's like speed scuba. The coolest part? You don't need to be a robot genius to help. If you care about the Earth, they'll help you team up with tech experts.
So kids, remember, AI plus nature equals awesome planet power. Keep your brains buzzing and your hearts green.
And stay curious, Eco Explorers. The planet needs you.
This is Max and Eco Ellie, signing off from Kids News Adventure. Bye-bye. Please like and subscribe.